Might tell ourselves, we've agreed to work long days for the next 40 years of our lives, only to possibly be able to retire. We've accepted limited vacation time and weekends that fly by in return for a much-needed paycheck. What choice do we have? We have student loans, seemingly never-ending bills due, kids to support, college funds to fill, and dogs to rush to the vet whenever they, once again, eat half a tennis ball. Even retiring at age 65 seems unrealistic. A number has been circulating. That number is $2 million. That's how much money the experts say millennials will need to retire by age 65. $2 million. Like it's supposed to be easy or something. Sorry, but how many multimillionaires do you know? This goal is not only highly unlikely, but also unrealistic in this day and age, and I'll show you exactly why. CNBC reports that 1 in 3 Americans have less than $5,000 saved for retirement. They also report that baby boomers, the ones who are literally about to retire, have a median savings level of $24,280. Great. That cohort will last 6 whole months into their retirement before returning to work. I'm not sure about you, but I don't feel optimistic about working in a cubicle, budgeting and pinching pennies for 40 years in a sad attempt to save a couple mil. Newsflash, traditional retirement is out. It's debunked. It's old news. See Chapter 2 for details. So, what are we left with? It turns out that there's more than one way to FIRE. My dear friend, allow me to introduce you to the revolutionary concept of passive income. Passive income is money that is earned with little to no work. Sound impossible? Consider this. You put $10,000 into an online high-yield savings account that pays you 2% annual percentage yield, APY, per year. Over the year, you earn $200 in interest income. Did you have to do anything to earn that income? No. It's passive income, aka unearned income. What if you had enough passive income to replace your earned income? Let's add 3 more zeros to the above example. If you put $10 million into that account, you'd make $200,000 per year in passive income. If you were collecting $200,000 per year in interest without lifting a finger, it would probably be safe to quit your day job. Chances are you don't have a cool $10 million sitting around, and neither did I. But there are hundreds of ways to make passive income, and many don't require any capital investment. Who am I, and why am I qualified to reveal these secrets to you? My name is Rachel Richards. I'm 27 years old, retired, and living